Hi, this video is on diffraction due to a single slit. Now in this experiment, this is our single slit and this is our screen. Now what is the meaning of diffraction? When the light rays bend around the corners, then this process is known as diffraction, right? Now when we want to show the diffraction, how many things are related to it? First is the screen, right? This is your central maxima. So what you are finding, central maxima is more than this side maximas. It means in diffraction the intensity of the maximum is not constant. We can also show it by the graph. See, in this case this is our central maxima, right, and these are your then secondary minima, so they are not of equal intensity. So this is our central maxima and these are the side maximas here, right? Now second thing is that the things which are related to it. First is the wavelength. Wavelength means which color is incident on it. If you will change the wavelength, the light is going to change. You see, if I am going to change the wavelength, here the light is going to change, color is going to change, right? So first thing is the wavelength. Second is the width of the slit. Width of the slit means is this distance, single slit. So if you are going to increase or decrease, you are finding there is a change. Third thing is slit to screen distance, that is a capital D from this to this. Now you see, if you are changing this, that is a change, right? Now we will discuss one by one. If we are going to change the wavelength, what will happen? Just see, if you are changing the wavelength, what's happening? Are you able to identify? If you are decreasing the wavelength, then the central maxima is also going to decrease. If you are increasing the wavelength, now I am going to increase, the central maxima is also going to increase, right? Now if I am going to increase the width of the slit, then what's happening? Just see here, this I am increasing the width, right? It means central maxima is going to reduce. Again, if I am going to decrease, see, it is going to increase, right? It is increased now. Now if I am going to increase the slit to screen distance, means capital D here, see what's the change here. If I am increasing, then again the central maxima, width of central maxima is going to increase. It means that you can also see this from the graph also, that if I am increasing the wavelength, then what is the effect on the maximum intensity? See, this wavelength is reducing, so this thing is also reducing, central max, yes, see, central maxima is reducing, right? So here if I am increasing, see, just see, point is distance from here to here is your central maxima. If I am just increasing the wavelength, see, this has been moved beyond this, it means central maxima has been increased, width of central maxima has been increased. Now if I am going to increase the width of the slit, how the graph is changing, see, if I am decreasing it, again this thing is going to increase. It means width of central maxima increases, right? Now if I am taking slit to screen distance, small d, what's happening? If I am going to increase it, just see, increase it, again this distance is going to increase, right? If I am going to decrease it, what's happening? This thing is going to decrease. See, this width has been decreased. So you can infer from here, if the slit to screen distance decreases, then width of central maxima decreases, right? If width of slit increases, then I am saying width of slit increases, then again the width decreases, right? If the wavelength of light increases, again the width increases. This is the results of the diffraction.